Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video of our custom field series, we're going to explore three very useful field types: number, currency, and auto number sequence. The number field is used whenever you want to store numeric values like quantities or counts. The currency field is designed for financial values, so you can track budgets, estimates, or revenue figures. And the auto number sequence field is all about automatically generating unique identifiers for your records, which is especially handy for things like IDs or reference numbers. I'll show you how each of these works in an existing object I created called leads. Let's start with the number field. The sample we created here is called number of users, designed to record how many users in the organization will be using the software. Opening the configuration panel, the decimal points are set to 0, since this value will always be a whole number. You can also set a default value and adjust the maximum and minimum character limits as per your requirement. Now let's check how this looks in the object. In the number of users column, you can see the numeric values we enter reflected correctly. Now moving to the currency field. The example here is budget amount estimation, which stores the estimated budget if available. For currency type, I've selected the United States. If you want to include cents or the decimal points of any other currency you're working with, you can adjust it here. The default value can also be customized to fit your requirements. Now let's check how this looks in the object. In the budget amount estimation column, the currency values show up in the selected format. You can see the value in the currency type here. Next, let's take a detailed look at the auto number sequence field. The example we created here is called lead ID. The auto numbering is set to start with 00001. This number marks the beginning of the sequence and will increment as new records are added. And you don't have to necessarily start it with 1. You can actually choose any number to start with, depending on your preference. Here's where the customization options get interesting. You can add a prefix value or a suffix value to the sequence. Prefix means the chosen value comes before the sequence number, and suffix means it comes after. This allows you to customize your numbering format in a way that matches your brand name, product name, or even a process-specific method. Now, within prefix value, you can choose from number, text, or date. If you select text, you can manually enter the exact text you want to add before the sequence number. If you choose number, you can set it as either static or dynamic. Static means the number stays constant, while dynamic means it increases along with the sequence. For this example, I selected date. Choosing date lets me display it in formats like dd/mm/yyyy, mm/dd/yyyy, dd/yy, or simply yyyy. I went with the yyyy format. You can even combine multiple prefix value types if you'd like. These same options are available if you choose suffix as well. To separate the prefix value and the auto number sequence, I chose a hyphen as the separator. So the final format will show the year first, followed by the sequence number, separated by a hyphen. These same options will be available in the suffix value type settings as well. Once all this is configured, I clicked Save. In the object, you can see the auto number sequence in action in the lead ID column. The prefix part, which we set as the year in YYYY format, is displayed first, followed by the auto number starting with 00001. That's how number, currency, and auto number sequence fields work together to help you capture precise, structured, and professional-looking data inside your CRM objects. This not only keeps your CRM records accurate, but also gives them a professional and organized look.